Here we go.
Hi lovelies, it's NANAANG here, back with another video. Y'all, it finally came. The last week of July, and my Madam Glam I Am Fearless collection came in the mail this week. So I'm sure you've probably all seen the beautiful colors that were in this month's collection. So it's going to be a short one today. I'm just going to swatch these, put them on my bottles, show you the beauteousness, and you can look for a set done with some of these beautiful colors on Friday for Miss Tara Lynn Nails 81 Lip Smacking Nails member spotlight video. So if you want to see them in action, make sure you tune in Friday. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful I Am Fearless collection. So this month we have 3 beautiful shimmers in orange, yellow, and hello, hot pink with blue glitter. We have a green, we have a hot pink, we have a baby pink, we have a purple, and we have a teal. And looking at these colors, you know that Nana is pretty dang happy with this month's colors. Oh, so pretty. Okay, let's swatch these creams first. This is Sweet Cheers. Kind of a, I wouldn't say neon, but kind of a bright green. Almost neon though. Almost neon. Very pretty color. We'll get a swatch in here of these. So as you know, Madam Glam is, one of my favorites. And they are HEMA and TPO free. 21 free formula. They are vegan and cruel. What am I doing? They are vegan and cruelty free. I got distracted by the beauteousness of that green. Okay, vegan and cruelty free. They have a wonderful, wonderful formula. I just love how the consistency. Oh, that pink. Hello, gorgeous. And bonus, I have a discount code that you can use to get you some of these gorgeous creamy colors in the I Am Fearless collection. It will be listed up on the screen as well as in the description box. Pink Harmony. I just love the names they give to their polishes too. Oh, that is bubblegum. Bubblegum neon-y pink. Beautiful. Like I was saying, the creams are very thick and luscious. So they're very nice to paint nail art with as well. That one's a little bit sheerer than the first two that I swatched, but generally with Madam Glam, you're going to get lavender toast. You're going to get a 1 coat coverage. Oh, heavenly Lord, that's beautiful. Woo! I am super grateful to Madam Glam for sending me these gorgeous polishes. I hope to bring you August's collection. I haven't even seen a sneak peek. I don't know what's coming, but I hope to get you those in a timelier manner. Inner renewal. But I'm not complaining at all. I don't care if they send them to me 3 weeks late every month. I am just grateful to receive them. Thank you so much. Oh, that teal. Hello. Now, can you see why I'll be using these in Tara's set? Some of her favorite colors and mine as well. Oh, wow. Isn't that just a beautiful, beautiful array of colors? Oh, I love them. So pretty. All right, that is our creams in this month's collection. Let's cure those and move on to our beautiful shimmers or sparkles. All right, let's do this Radiant Glow first. This is a sparkly yellow, looks to be a little sheer. I don't believe it is cat eye. No, I don't believe it is. Look at that. Oh, there's some different colored flakes in there. It's almost a hollow. It's almost a hollow. If I were to say, I would call that a hollow. There are some green flecks in there. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, let's get that one on a swatcher. And this is going to be a jelly base. Ooh, I might even see some red kind of glitter in there. Very transparent, but I like that a lot. We'll probably do 2 coats of these, it looks like. And then we have our golden hour. Oh, an orange sparkle. Ew! Yes, please. Look at that. Wowza. Wowza. All right, let's get this beauty on there. Oh, yes, that's so pretty. Cat hair. Those are going to get more prevalent around these parts, y'all. We just adopted, well, not adopted, but I'm just going to say rescued, because we rescued them from being born to a feral mama. We just rescued 2 of them. I couldn't let them go. I had to have them. So we are now a household of 4 cats. 2 adult cats and 2 kittens. So I've been busy lately, and you'll see a few little scratches on my hand. That's just from playing and having a good time. But oh, I wouldn't trade them for the world. They are adorable. Oh wow, this is so pretty. It has like purple and blue fleck in the hot pink. Whew. That's stunning. Wow. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to cure these. I think I will do a second coat on a couple of them. I think I will also do a second coat on this pink one here, which is a pink harmony. Let's do a second coat on that one. The others, I'm not going to do a second coat because they are rich and vibrant just the way they are. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Now, like I was saying, I do have a discount code for Madam Glam. It's NANAANG25. All uppercase, all stuck together. I'll have it up here on the screen. But I wanted to tell you about Madam Glam's VIP program. Ever since I found Madam Glam, very early on in my journey, I have been a VIP member because you get 50% off of all of their gels all of the time. Now they take out $30 a month. It could be gone up to $39 a month. They take out money out of your account every single month and put it in your account with Madam Glam. So at any time you want to run over and grab some polishes, grab some chromes, grab some builder gels, grab some fiberglass builder gels, you just run on over there. You got money sitting in there, and you get 50% off and free delivery for anything that you want to pick up. It is a win-win in my book. So that is the VIP program. But if you're just wanting to dabble and find a few colors to try out, hey, go through my link in the description and use my code NANAANG25, and that just lets Madam Glam know you came from my channel, and I would appreciate it very, very much. All right. This orange is really pretty. It's almost got pink tone to it, but it's orange. I don't know how to explain it. You tell me how you would explain it when I show it close up on here. It's really, really pretty. So this yellow one, you're probably gonna, I mean, if you don't want transparent yellow, you're probably gonna want to put it on a colored base. This one really doesn't need a second coat, but since I'm second coating the other ones, I'm going to. I would have to say this one right here, the lavender, what's it called? Joyful Rituals has got to be my favorite in this whole collection, and then followed closely by this sparkly orange one. Love them both. All right, let's top coat these, put them on the bottles, and show you what's up. And then I'm going to let you go today. Like I said, it's going to just be a short one today. I just wanted to get these out, put them in front of you, so you could run over and grab you some before they're gone. I did go on the website, and the picture shows limited stock, so I don't know what colors are running low, but evidently there are some. So run on over if you see something you like and grab them today, because who knows. I'm using Madam Glam's top coat here. Beautiful non-wipe top coat. I love the consistency of Madam Glam's top coat. It is not too thick, but it is not too thin. It's perfect for what I like to use it for. It doesn't run all over your cuticles, yet it will encapsulate stickers and things like that very, very well. Oh, that purple and teal. Wow. Beautiful. All right, let's get them in the lamp. I'm going to top coat these, and then I'm going to put them on the bottles, and then we'll come back and we'll review each one up close and personal. Stay tuned. All right, all swatched, all top coated. Let's take a look at them up close and personal. This is your Sweet Cheers. Beautiful, beautiful lime green color. And then we have our Cherished Pink, kind of a hot pink. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we have our Pink Harmony. I would call that bubblegum Barbie pink right there. Gotta have one of those. You gotta have one of those. And ooh la la, Lavender Toast. Gorgeous, gorgeous purple cream. Wow. And our teal of the bunch, Inner Renewal. Wow. So pretty. And so pretty. And here are our shimmers. This very sheer and sparkly Radiant Glow. Multicolored little sparkles of love in there. And then we have our orange sparkle, which is Golden Hour. Oh, so, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then we have, last but of course not least, my favorite one of the bunch, Joyful Rituals. Blue and purple specks in that hot pink. Yes, please. All right, let me know which is your favorite. What are you wanting Madam Glam to come out with next? I'd like to see some, I don't know, some glitters or some more cat eye. That's just me. But I do appreciate this beautiful collection of polishes. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. Don't forget to check down in my description box for some coupon codes to save you some money. I'm live every single Wednesday and a new video each and every week. Hey, while you're here, why don't you hit that like button and subscribe button? I'd love to have you in the family. Make sure to leave me a comment and hype if you have any left. All right, that's all I have for you, lovelies. Until next month, love ya, Nana Ange.